Good morning, students. So, children, how are you all keeping? Are you good? Yes. So, children, take care of yourself. Okay, and always be obedient, children. Okay, children. So, do you remember where were we? What we were studying in moral science? Yes. Yesterday we have finished lesson 4. Ant and the grasshopper, and I've sent you PDF of that lesson also. So you have to complete all the exercises that I have sent you, okay, in your moral science notebook. Now today let's do the new lesson in moral science, and that is lesson number 5. Well done class 1. Okay. So with me, all of you, take out page 21. Well done class 1. Okay, so first of all, let's see the warming up part of this lesson. Now I'm reading, all of you look in your book. Sharing is dividing something between two or more people. Okay, now what is sharing, children? When we divide something, if you're having something with you and you divide that thing between your friends, between two or more people, that is called sharing. In sharing can be your favorite food also, your favorite toys also, work also, anything. It can be anything that you share with each other. Okay, have you ever shared your tiffin with your friend? Sometimes what happen, your mama gives you your favorite tiffin. Okay, for example, chow pizza, burger, you all love na, but in actually, children, these all are junk food, not good for your health, but still you enjoy eating. Okay, so when you have all these things to eat, you feel like sharing it with your friends. No, na, but we must share, isn't it? Now what happens when a teacher gives a duty to your class? Again, what we have to do, we have to share that duty in order to make it easy. At home also, when you help your parents in doing work, okay, you can do small work at home also, so that work for your mother become easy. Don't dirty the house. Okay, the things that you take, okay, from wherever you take the thing, keep it there only, so that your house may look clean and tidy. These all are small work or the duties that you can share with your parents. Okay, now this story is about sharing only. So the value taught in this lesson, well done class 1, is sharing only. Okay, so now let's come to the story. Ria was a student of class 1. One day she came home very excited. Mother asked Ria, "What is the matter, Ria?" So now what happened? Once there was a girl and her name was Ria, and she studies in class 1. Now one day when she came home from school, she was very happy. Now mother asked Ria that why she is so happy and what is the matter. You know what she said? Mama, do you know our school principal has organized a competition in school? The cleanest class will get the gold star. Okay, so now what she is telling? She is telling that her principal in the school has organized one competition, and what was in the competition, that if the cleanest class will get the gold star. So children, today we will study till here, and tomorrow again we will continue the same. Okay, children. So you can just go through the play. You can go through till I read today. Okay, you can do the reading. Okay, now tomorrow again we all will meet, children. Till then, be good, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe.